Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay Verma and I am going to dictate you a legal passage of 500 words at the speed of 100 words on Surat Court's judgment. So get ready. 3 seconds. Start. In a series of tweets, Priyanka Gandhi launched an all-out attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying in a tweet in Hindi, Narendra Modi ji, your sycophants called the son of a martyred Prime Minister a traitor. Mir Jafar, stop. One of your chief minister raised questions as to who is the father of Rahul Gandhi. Stop. Following the custom of Kashmiri Pandits, a son wears pagadi after his father's death, maintaining his family's tradition. Stop. Insulting the whole family and the Kashmiri Pandit community. You asked in parliament why we don't keep the name Nehru. Stop. But no judge gave you a sentence of 2 years. Stop. Did not disqualify you from the parliament, she said. Stop. Hours after his disqualification from Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi said that he is fighting for the people of the country and is ready to pay any price for that. Stop passage. Meanwhile, BJP's Dharmendra Pradhan said that the Nehru-Gandhi family suffers from sense of entitlement and feudal mindset. It should know law equal for everyone. Stop. Rahul Gandhi's disqualification as per law, which says membership is nullified from time of conviction. Stop. Was Congress serious on Rahul's membership? It approached court in Pawan Khera's case within hours of action, but not in his case. Stop passage. Congress on Friday condemned Rahul Gandhi's disqualification from Lok Sabha and said that the party will fight the battle legally or politically. Stop. We are confident that we will get a stay of the conviction which will remove the very basis of this disqualification. Stop. We have full faith in the law. Stop. We will emerge victorious in the near future, Singhvi said while addressing a press conference. Stop. We will fight strongly against this attack. Stop. Yesterday it was Shahid Divas and today this political sacrifice by Rahul Gandhi disqualification as MP. This will be a turning point in the country and the country will win the fight to save democracy. Congress leader Harish Rawat. Stop para. Rahul Gandhi's candidacy has been cancelled. Stop. Calling a thief has become a crime in our country. Stop. Thieves and looters are still free and Rahul Gandhi was punished. Stop. This is a direct murder of democracy. Full stop. All government systems are under pressure. Stop. This is the beginning of the end of dictatorship. Stop. Only the fight has to be given direction. Full stop. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi was disqualified from Lok Sabha on Friday, a day after he was convicted by a Surat court in a 2019 criminal defamation case. Full stop. Announcing his disqualification, the Lok Sabha Secretariat in a notification said that it was effective from March 23, the day of his conviction. Full stop. Consequent upon his conviction by the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Surat. Full stop. Rahul Gandhi, member of Lok Sabha representing the parliamentary constituency of Kerala, stands disqualified from the membership of Lok Sabha from the date of his conviction, that is 23 March 2023. The notification read. Stop. This is a court order. Everyone should accept it. Stop. Over.